So I wanted to do some baby hair with this style, but my edges and my edge control were in a mess, you all. I couldn't do it. It is what it is. Hey boss, hey beauties, welcome back. So today we are going to do some roll and tuck hairstyle, right? It is a very simple hairstyle that you can achieve with your own natural hair. For those who have long hair, you can just use your own hair, your natural hair. But for we that doesn't have long hair, I'm going to add a small hair extension behind, but in front I'm going to style it with my own hair. You can also achieve this style without even combing your hair, right? But it should be natural. I combed mine because it was already washed the previous day. So I put it into a protective style. So it's straightening the hair a little bit. The reason why I had to comb it before styling it. But otherwise, you don't even need to comb your hair. You just go ahead and style it, right? So I will let you enjoy the video, guys, without wasting most of your time. Please don't forget to support a sister by subscribing, and we are going to style the edges as we could. I'm going to hook it with the hair together because I couldn't do the baby hair, as I said in the beginning of the video. So I'm going to style them as I can, and yeah, it's a beautiful hairstyle, especially for those who have watermelon head, right? If you have coconut head like us, you can also try it out. Check it out, guys. Watch until the end and see how the style looks like. It's a very beautiful style, I promise. Just keep watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here, guys. Thank you for your support. Love you all, guys. Until we meet next time. Mwah!